Woo. What's up everybody, Thomas Edison, DCIV, today with the crew, Bando crew is already. We're gonna go today again to the glass factory, so let's get it cracking. Sleeping Beauty, always sleeping. And we're there at the spot, the guys are setting up already. I already set up the fire, so let's get this shit cracking. Throw a little bit of water, holy water. Bando fire going on, like a motherfucker. Bando Choco. What? And cracking we did. Killed the Bando killer, got fucking killed. It's kind of suicide, I guess. So ripped out the air unit and motor is wonky, 20 euro motor, one crash. And the demi bolts down and wrecked the air unit, so get it packing for me and then waiting for the guys to finish and then going back home.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.